Hello, Harlandale. This is Marguerite Lovak from Instructional Technology. Today we're going to talk a little bit about attendance. If you use Google Meet, then you can use spreadsheets to work a little bit of magic and make attendance a little bit more manageable. Let's see what I'm talking about. Up here on the top, I'm going to go to a tab that has a spreadsheet. On this spreadsheet, you're going to see that I have, this is my Google Meet attendance, last name, first name of my students, and the email addresses. Also on here, you're going to notice that I have already added all of the days by month that we will be in school this 9 weeks for a total of 44 days. Over on the far right, there is a column that will automatically calculate how many days that student has attended, as well as the percentage that they have been here for that 9 weeks. How does this work? Well, you need to first add in all of your students' information, and then down here at the bottom on the check-in tab, I'm going to click that. Once you receive the email, so you get an email every time you have a Google Meet that has 4 students or more in it. Once that email is sent to you, you're going to copy the email addresses and you're going to paste them in on the date that you conducted that Google Meet. So once you do that, you go back to the roster tab here at the bottom and click on that. And it is automatically going to mark with an X the students who were in attendance that day. I'm going to go to the check-in tab at the bottom again, and I'm going to paste the names in the 20th, and I'm going to select that first cell, even though the other email, it looks like the other email address is in that cell, but it's not. If you go ahead and paste, you'll see that it's going to go over it. And then let's delete the Susan.student. So that, uh, I think it deleted all of them. Hold on, let's paste that again. And I only want to delete this one. There we go. Now when I go to the roster, you'll see that the Susan student is not there on that day. So there you go. That one is empty. How do we make this work? First, the first thing that you're going to do in order to make this work is you're going to close this tab. Let me close this tab because we don't need it. You're going to go to the HISD Techie Tips. On the Techie Tips, you need a copy of the spreadsheet. Click on that and let's open up the template. So it's automatically going to make a copy for you. If you would like your own copy, just in case something happens, you can go to File and make a copy in case you want a second copy. On this one, we're going to change it so that the name of this is going to be Third 9 Weeks. And this is no longer going to be a template. This is going to be our own copy for the third 9 weeks. So we're going to go ahead and delete that and change the title. Now we need to find our student names, and we don't want to have to type them all in, so there is an easy way to find them. I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. I have a tab here that is already open to Google Classroom. If you need to get there, you would normally go to your waffle and then go to Google Classroom. Once you are in your classroom, you will go to the Classwork tab. On any assignment that you have assigned to the entire class, you will open that assignment up and then go to View Assignment. When you see all of your students here on that assignment, you're going to go to the cog or the gear on the right, click on it, and then you're going to select download these grades as a CSV. That file is going to download and we're going to open it. Depending on your computer, it might open in Excel, but whenever this opens up, you are going to select the last name, first name, and the email address of all of the students in your class. So I'm going to click in this top cell, and then I'm going to drag out this box. You can select, it just depends on your computer. I'm going to right click and go to copy or Control C. Once these are copied, I do not need this anymore. So I'm going to close this window to get it out of the way. Now I need to go back to my third 9 weeks meet attendance spreadsheet. Once I get here, I'm going to paste in those names. I'm going to click in the first cell below last name, and I am going to paste in those names that I copied. So there are all of my students. If you would like to put these in alphabetical order, if that's something that bothers you, you can select just the last names of the students and then come up to the top and select data and then go to sort column A to Z. And that's going to sort your students' names. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to put all of our students' names that attended the Google Meet on the check-in tab. I know that when I do a Google Meet that I am sent an email. So I'm going to go to my email, and in my email I will receive a document that has all of the students that attended that Google Meet. Let's open up that document, and I'm going to select all of the students' names. If you have a lot of students, you might need to open this with Google Sheets so that you can select all of them. It just depends on how many students you have. Either way, we're going to select those students. Let's do that again. We're going to select these students. We're going to copy them, right click, and we're going to copy, Control C. Then we go back to our spreadsheet for the third 9 weeks. So anything that we don't need, I like to get out of the way. So I'm going to close that. We don't need it. We're going back to our third 9 week spreadsheet. If this was the Google Meet that took place on the 19th, then I'm going to select the first cell and I'm going to paste in the email addresses of those students. When I do that, when I go to the roster tab at the bottom, it is automatically going to put an X in the cell for the students that were there. What if a student wasn't there? So let's go to the check-in tab and let's delete one of these students. What if that student wasn't there? If I go to the roster tab, it is going to remove the X. So it doesn't matter what order they're in on this check-in tab, because as you know, on this document that comes in from Google, it's going to come in the order that the students were there. So it does not matter what order they're in. It will automatically recognize their email address. So now you will see the calculations on the far right-hand side have already started based on the students who were present. If you need to come in and override this, you could come in and delete the X if you need to. Or if a student was there, you could, or they finished the work and you needed to mark them present, you could also put their name in here, and mark them, put this X back here because she did come in. So I hope you found this as an easy way to help you with attendance. Before you're done, please organize this. I would suggest coming up to the Move, this little folder up here, and adding this into your Google Drive and putting it in the file that has the Meet recordings in it, the folder that is automatically created by Google for your Google Meets. Let's go. It's called Meeting Reports. And we're going to put this in a folder that I created called Attendance. If you haven't created a folder in there called Attendance, you could click on this new folder and make a folder in here. But I already have a folder called Attendance, and I'm going to move the spreadsheet in here so I can organize that. I hope you found this helpful. Have a fabulous day. Stay safe.